Hello viewers, this is Achol Rafi once again. Welcome to this new video where I'm going to give you an update regarding my availability. So here my most recent video upload was dropshipping, how to set up a Shopify store step by step, which I have uploaded on December 8, 2019, and it's already December 12th. So 4 days passed. I am not being able to come up with a new content, although I should have come up with videos regarding Facebook paid advertisements, but the reason behind my unavailability is I'm working on some of my private clients. So if you just notice here, I have marked my availability here on Upwork. I'm not available until March 1st, 2020. All right, but still working on my private clients project because he loves my service and he wants me to complete his task. All right, and this is the reason why I'm not being able to invest or actually dedicate some time here to create some content for YouTube or my audiences, and when I have to upload a video regarding Facebook paid advertisement, I must have to provide high quality content here. I have to come up with lots of value, otherwise my audience are going to waste their money, right? This is the reason I don't want to publish whatever, just make a video and just publish. That's not the thing going to be happen here. Whenever I'm going to upload a video, I want to give my best here. So this is why I'm going to take some time more to create a video and to upload my next video here. But before that, let me share what you can do in the meantime while I'm not being able to upload my next video. You can actually learn Facebook ads, Instagram ads related videos from YouTube, or actually if not YouTube, let me show you from where you can actually find premium courses. And I'm actually going to give you the free 2 months of premium membership access as well. So let's go to Skillshare. And after coming here, you have to select here. You just have to sign up with an account. So you have to provide your card details here, but don't worry, it is completely free to join and you will get 2 months of free access by using the link I'm going to attach in the video description. All right, so let me show you how to find the courses that you want to watch. So here let me show Facebook ads and hit enter, and here you'll find 148 premium courses here. So after signing in with your account here on Skillshare, you'll be able to watch any of the videos from their 24,000 plus courses. All right, so let me show you how to find the best course that will be helpful for you. So here Facebook ads for beginners, which has 407 students, and this course which has 3,619 students. Just check them out. You have to open few of the courses. So this course is really great, I have watched it. So you have to open up these courses and then just take a look at the student counts. And after that you have to click on this review page to see right now 22 people are watching this course. All right, and as you can see, this course is providing some value. So this is the reason here, expectations meet, exceeded, or yes. So this is providing some good value. So most of the people has reviewed it to 100% yes. And let's move on to the next course which I have watched, and she is providing good information as well. So let's go on to the review page, and if you just notice here, 71% has found this video it goes beyond their expectations, and 29% found it yes. And this is the way how you have to find out the best courses to watch and spend your time, or actually invest your times in learning. And when you are actually going to spend money on Facebook ads, I am strongly suggesting you to watch some videos, gain proper knowledge, and after that implement the knowledge to create your Facebook ads. This is how you will be able to gain your success on Facebook advertisement or on your Shopify store. So let me show you what other courses you can have. You can find Instagram ads, Instagram marketing tutorials as well, which are premium, and you can also select from this bar. Let me click on premium here, and you'll find 326 results. Just open some of the courses and try to get the information behind or about the course, go to review page, and you will find information regarding the feedbacks. So this course, it has lots of students, but
Kinfolk is, I guess,
you can get an idea from here what you are going to actually get. So if you are a complete beginner, this course is going to help you, but if you have got some knowledge already regarding Instagram marketing, you might going to find it not really or somewhat, right? So this is how actually you have to find out courses, and you have to evaluate them with or compare them one with another, and then you just have to continue watching them and learning them from them, and after that you have to implement your knowledge. And again, let me all right, so that's it, guys. So learn about Pinterest marketing as well from this resource. I'm going to attach the link of 2 months free premium membership here into the video description, so that you'll be able to create your account and gain full access to these premium courses completely free. You just have to provide your maybe payment card details, all right, as it is a paid service, but they're not going to charge you anything for the first 2 months. All right, so after that you will be able to cancel your membership whenever you want. So as an example, here I'm using the premium membership completely free, and whenever I'll reach out to my limit of the 2 months, then I will actually go to this account settings, and I'll go a little bit down, or actually I'll go to this payment section, and I'll just click on this cancel membership, and it will be all done. Okay, so I have still the dates here, January 25 to 2020. So I have over 1 month to learn from or use this premium membership for free. All right, so I hope this video was resourceful to you, and if you think like this video is going to be helpful for other people as well, please share this video and let me know if you have any question by commenting below. Although I am actually spending busy times, but I will try my best to get back to you as soon as possible.